Okay, so my dragonfly image is about, to me, it reminds me of being up in the Mossman Gorge or Daintree National Parks, and we tend to have a lot of beautiful rainforest up there and heaps of leaves, and I always think of a starry night with a half moon, but I tend to have an affiliation with dragonflies, and in our culture we call them urad urad.
Colour and then whatever you put on top. Everyone going.
Drawn the Brolga because last time I went to Normanton for my uncle's funeral, I saw some standing out in the marshlands, and the circles are representing the ripples in the water as he's walking around looking for his food.
And this one here is about my basket weaving, and just about my favourite material to weave with, which is the pandanus. And this is more like the pandanus from the beach rather than the rainforest pandanus up here. Like the little...
It worked.
Access.
This work here is titled Wongai Season. It's the fruit up in the Torres Strait. This particular fruit, why I always do it, it reminds me of connecting back to the islands. I remember as a child, families from Torres Strait when we first moved to Cairns.
And that's why.
Hi Heather, tell us about the image that you're working on here, the technique and what you are trying to achieve with the image.
Yeah, I'm sticking to the basic, the first one, like the Indigenous, sort of like yellow, red and black, but making it the black, the silhouette at the red and the yellow, hopefully a sunset, the sun going down. And that's what I'm trying to achieve, a colourful orangey yellow.
Brooke, can you tell us a bit about the story, the motif in this image?
So it's more of me testing patterning. I usually do a lot of realistic work, and it was just, I guess, my chance to test patterning. So the patterning that I chose to do was stars. So that's what I put throughout the wing of the owl. Yeah.
That's all right. And the reason for choosing the owl as a motif?
I think it was just something that I wanted to do. I wanted to test myself with doing a bird, really, and how I could depict the feathering and the shading in it. And I just chose the owl.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just what I'll do.
Scratch.
I hope it's not recorded.
just a pleasure to work with the InkMasters guys and have a look at what you created.